Did you know how many iPhone 12 series have been sold? The iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max are smartphones designed and marketed by Apple Inc. Apple said the high-end models of its latest iPhones sold the best during its most recent quarter. Apple reported strong earnings during its 2021 fiscal first quarter, beating Wall Street expectations and breaking its previous revenue record. The company reported $65.6 billion in iPhone revenue, surpassing analyst estimates of $60.33 billion. During a conference call following the company's earnings, CEO Tim Cook said Apple's new iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max were its best-selling iPhones last quarter. The iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max contain more advanced cameras, OLED displays, and a LiDAR sensor which is able to build a depth map of a scene to aid with mapping, augmented reality, and photos and videos. All of the devices in Apple's new lineup at 5G enabled, which has been particularly beneficial in markets like China and South Korea, Cook said, which are further along in enabling 5G. Apple also saw a record number of upgraders to the iPhone 12 in China last quarter. According to analysts' forecast, the number of iPhone 12 shipments will be about 51 million units in the first quarter of 2021. Previously, it was believed that in the first quarter the company will ship about 47 million units. The increase in shipments will primarily affect the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. The estimates point that shipments of the cheaper iPhone 12 mini will remain relatively unchanged during this period. Analysts believe iPhone 12 shipments will grow 38% year-over-year. An important market for Apple is China, where more than 6 million iPhone 12 units were shipped in November 2020 alone, that is, about 20% of total shipments worldwide. This is a new record for the past few years.